Google just dropped a pile of Gemini updates that are about to turn your entire workflow upside down. And I'm talking about features that let you build your own mini apps without writing a single line of code, a model that is both fast and actually smart, and an agent that goes out and completes entire projects while you sleep. I'm going to break down every single update and show you exactly how to turn each one into leverage you can sell. Hey, I'm Paul James. I grew up trying to build a business while living in my brother's garage and going to college full time. I didn't have money for fancy software or a team. I had time I didn't really have, and resourcefulness I was forced to develop. These Gemini updates are the kind of leverage I wish existed back then. Let me show you what I mean. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here's the problem. Most people treat AI like a search engine. You ask it something, it spits back an answer, and then you do the actual work. That's fine for basic stuff. But when you're trying to research a client project, build something custom, or organize 5 different moving pieces at the same time, that old approach falls apart fast. You end up with 10 browser tabs open, 3 different AI tools running, and no clear system tying it all together. You're doing all the heavy lifting while the AI just sits there waiting for your next question. That's exactly what these new Gemini features solve, and I'm calling this the infinite integration framework. It's not just about one tool getting better. It's about Google stitching together all their separate AI products into one unified operating system that actually does the work instead of waiting for you to tell it what to do next. Let me walk you through how this plays out in the real world. The first piece is the Notebook LM connection inside Gemini. Now, if you haven't used Notebook LM yet, it's basically a research hub where you drop links, videos, PDFs, and Google Drive files into these organized collections. Each collection is its own knowledge base. You can chat with it and pull insights. Super useful on its own, but now you can attach those notebooks directly into a Gemini chat, and here's the wild part. You can attach multiple notebooks at the same time. So let me paint a picture for you. Let's say you're a marketing consultant and you have 3 clients. Each client has their own Notebook LM setup with their brand guidelines, past campaign data, competitor research, and content calendars. Normally you would jump between those 3 notebooks depending on which client you're working on, but now you open one Gemini chat, attach all 3 notebooks, and ask it to compare campaign performance across all 3 brands and suggest what client A should try based on what worked for client B. That's leverage. You just turned 3 separate silos into one strategic brain. Here's where things get wild. The second update is something called Gems Builder. And this isn't the old version of Gems where you just saved custom instructions. This is a full app creation tool built right into Gemini. You describe the app you want and Gemini builds it in about 30 seconds. No code, no design skills, just plain English instructions. Let me give you a concrete example. I told Gemini I wanted an app where someone uploads a photo of their product and it generates a mock-up of that product being used by a real person in a realistic setting. 30 seconds later, the app was live. I uploaded a picture of an apron, told it I wanted a man wearing the apron in a kitchen. Boom, realistic image of a guy in a kitchen wearing that exact apron. And then I got a shareable link I could send to anyone. They don't even need a Gemini account to use it. Most people never realize this part. You just became an app developer without learning how to code, and that's not hype. That's a real service you can offer. Think about local businesses that need custom tools but can't afford a developer. You build them a mini app that solves one specific problem. You charge them for it, they get something useful, you get paid, everybody wins. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. The third update is a new model called Gemini 3 Flash. For years, AI forced you into this annoying trade-off. You either picked a powerful model that took forever to respond, or you picked a fast model that gave you mediocre answers. Gemini 3 Flash kills that trade-off completely. It's fast and it's smart, and it's available on the free plan. Now, why does this matter for making money? Because speed equals capacity. If you're running a content agency and you're using AI to draft social posts, email sequences, or blog outlines, cutting your response time in half means you can handle twice as many clients without hiring anyone. That's not a small thing. That's the difference between being stuck at 3 clients and scaling to 6 clients with the same amount of effort. And listen, if you haven't already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Here's another angle most tutorials never touch. The fourth update is called visual layout. Instead of getting a wall of text back from Gemini, you now get this immersive magazine-style response with photos, interactive modules, and formatted sections. It looks like something a designer spent hours building, but it generates automatically. Now, think about how you can use this. Let's say you're pitching a local gym owner on a new marketing strategy. You use Gemini with visual layout turned on. You ask it to create a competitive analysis of the 3 biggest gyms in their city. 30 seconds later, you have this gorgeous visual report with photos, comparison charts, and key insights laid out like a professional presentation. You didn't design anything. You didn't spend 2 hours formatting. You just asked the right question. That gym owner looks at that report and thinks you have a whole team behind you. They don't know you generated it in less time than it takes to microwave popcorn. And that perception is worth money. People pay more when they think the work required expertise and effort. This makes your work look expensive even when it was fast. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. There were so many features I didn't know which ones actually mattered. So let me make this simple. Focus on the updates that give you speed, automation, or a better client experience. Those are the only 3 things that move the needle when you're trying to get paid. The 5th update is an upgrade to deep research. This feature already existed, but now it includes interactive graphs and visual infographics instead of just text. If you're not familiar with deep research, it's a feature where Gemini spends several minutes pulling information from hundreds of sources and then writes you a detailed report with citations. Now, those reports come with charts you can interact with and visuals that make complex data easier to understand. Here's the money angle. If you're offering consulting services, audits, or strategy work, this tool does the research phase for you. You feed it a question like, compare the environmental impact of electric vehicles versus gas vehicles in urban areas. 10 minutes later, you have a 20-page report with sources, data visualizations, and a full breakdown. You didn't read 50 articles. You didn't build those charts. Gemini did. You just packaged it and delivered it to a client who needed that insight. Now, here's a quick story to show you how this works in practice. Let's say there's a freelancer named Jenna. She offers marketing audits to e-commerce brands. One of her clients sells eco-friendly home products. They want to know if they should add electric lawn equipment to their product line. Jenna doesn't know anything about that industry, but she uses deep research. She asked Gemini to analyze market demand, competitor positioning, and consumer sentiment around electric lawn tools. 15 minutes later, she has a full report. She adds a 2-page executive summary at the top. She sends it to the client. They think she spent days on it. She charged $800. She spent 15 minutes. That's leverage. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. The 6th update is called Deep Think. This is designed for really complex problems. Think advanced math, coding challenges, or multi-step logic puzzles. It uses something called parallel thinking, where Gemini explores multiple solution paths at the same time and then combines the best parts into one answer. This takes longer than a normal response, but the output is way more accurate. Now, why does this matter if you're not a software engineer or a mathematician? Because complex problems exist in every industry. A restaurant owner trying to figure out optimal staffing schedules based on seasonal demand is a logic problem. A real estate investor trying to model cash flow across 5 properties with different financing structures is a math problem. If you can position yourself as the person who solves complex problems using AI, you just separated yourself from everyone else offering basic services. Most people are still offering surface level stuff. You come in with deep think and solve something they thought was impossible without hiring an expensive consultant. That's a completely different value proposition. And that's where the real money sits. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after mastering this. You're not grinding through manual research anymore. You're not spending hours formatting reports. You're not hitting a ceiling because you ran out of time in the day. You're using tools like this to do the heavy lifting while you focus on the strategy, the client relationships, and the parts of the business only you can do. That's what leverage actually means. And now, the 7th update. This one is the big one. It's called Gemini Agent. And this is the part where Gemini stops being a chatbot and becomes something that actually completes tasks for you. You give it a multi-step project. It goes out, accesses your Gmail, checks your calendar, researches flights and hotels, and then drafts a full itinerary without you touching anything. Let me give you an example of how this works. You tell Gemini Agent you need to plan a 2-day trip to Las Vegas for a tech conference in January. You don't even tell it which conference or what dates. It figures out the event is CES. It finds the official dates. It searches flights from your city. It pulls hotel options near the convention center. It builds a full itinerary based on the keynote schedule. And it does all of that while you're doing something else. Now, here's how you turn this into money. Imagine you're offering executive assistant services to busy founders or consultants. You use Gemini Agent to handle their travel planning, meeting coordination, and research tasks. They think you're manually doing all that work. You're actually just setting up the agent and reviewing the output before you send it. You're charging hourly or project rates, but your actual time investment is a fraction of what they think it is. That's the future of service businesses. You become the orchestrator, not the executor. Here's another use case. Let's say you run a social media agency. A client asks you to research trending topics in their industry, pull competitor content examples, and draft a content calendar. Normally, that's a 4-hour project. With Gemini Agent, you set up the task, let it run, and check back an hour later. You still bill for 4 hours because that's the value of the deliverable, but you only worked for 30 minutes. You just freed up 3.5 hours to take on another client or work on your own business. This isn't about cutting corners. This is about using tools the way they're meant to be used. If you're still doing everything manually while these tools exist, you're choosing to stay stuck. And I get it. I used to think I had to do everything myself to make sure it was done right, but that's a trap. The goal isn't to do more work. The goal is to create more value in less time. That's the only way you scale. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Look, every single one of these updates is free or included in the basic Gemini plan. You don't need to spend $1,000 a month on software. You don't need a team. You just need to understand how to use these tools strategically and position them as solutions to real business problems. That's it. That's the entire game. And if you're not doing this yet, now is the time to start.